This is the pattern. Copy it and cut it. I'm going to make an application with some scraps of fabric, so I cut the heart in this fabric. For the bib, I'm using a terry fabric with plastic on the back side. Trace around it and cut. When you cut, try to cut away the lines from your pen. Pin your decoration in place. I am setting my machine on a zigzag, and then I changed the settings so I get the length very tight on the zigzag. Now I sew with the zigzag exactly on the edge of the heart. So the needle will go one time on the white part and one time on the red part. When you get to any sharp turns, it's important that you stop with the needle in the fabric. I'm going to trim all the edges with satin bias tape. There are many different ways how to attach these. I'm going to show you an easy way. So you start on the back and you turn out the bias tape like this. It's important that the bias tape is edge to edge to the fabric and that you sew with a straight stitch exactly in the fold as you see that I'm doing right here. Once you have done that, it's quite easy to fold the bias tape to the right side and just sew along the open edge with a straight stitch. When you have sewn around the neckline, it's time to cut off any excess fabric, and then you are going to start with the outer edge. So you need to pin about 18 centimeters for the ties, and now you do it in the same way. You start on the wrong side, edge to edge, and you sew in the fold as you see. On the short edges, you need to fold in the raw edges, and then you start out on the tie and you sew all the way on the right side to close the open edge with a straight stitch. Your machine might have some trouble starting, so you can pull on the threads so it will get some help to start. And now your baby is finished. Just iron it so it looks nice. Please visit my Patreon